There is an aluminium smelter at Tiwai in Southland, drawing around 560 megawatts of load, making it the biggest single energy user in New Zealand. Tiwai's potlines are 180 megawatts each. To allow for the disconnection or reconnection of potline cells, a potline load can be reduced to 0 megawatts. The reduction of 180 megawatts is a significant step change for the New Zealand power system. Normally, Tiwai potline reductions are managed between Tiwai, Transpower and Meridian. The usual potline reduction is about 10 minutes long. These are managed with Manapōuri generation without any changes to the market. Manapōuri follows the Tiwai load at the same rate of change. Some potline reductions are extended and may last up to 45 or 50 minutes. On these occasions, Manapōuri can either stay at reduced megawatts or return the market to economic dispatch. The system operator will make the decision on whether to return to economic dispatch based on a number of factors. For example, system security and system impact from large generation changes. In both cases, a discretion is required. If staying at reduced megawatts, a discretion is applied to reduce Manapōuri dispatch by 180 megawatts. It holds there until Tiwai restores load, which Manapōuri matches with generation, and then the discretion is ended. In the second case, Manapōuri returns to economic dispatch. The system coordinator will dispatch the South Island load down by 180 megawatts, and Manapōuri will come back up at the same rate as the generator it replaces. 10 minutes prior to the return of the Tiwai load, the system coordinator applies a discretion to Manapōuri to reduce 180 megawatts. Once Manapōuri generation is down, it can then follow the Tiwai load up as it is restored. Let's look at how applying the discretions in these scenarios may impact the market. The grid is unconstrained and the market is solved for optimal economic dispatch. G3 represents Manapōuri. In the first case, where Manapōuri generation stays at reduced megawatts, the marginal price remains the same, as Manapōuri is reduced by an equal amount as Tiwai reduces. Here's the second scenario, where Manapōuri generation returns to economic dispatch. G3 initially reduces with the potline. Then G3 returns to economic dispatch megawatts and the marginal price is lowered. 10 minutes before Tiwai's load is restored, a discretion is applied to bring G3 down by 180 megawatts and the marginal price will go back up. G3 generation will ramp up with the Tiwai load, there will be no change to the marginal price, and the discretion on G3 ends.